Add a sheet to Excel. Can click this plus sign. Or you can right-click. Insert. Worksheet. OK. Then 4. Change the name of this sheet. Right-click, rename. Enter. To remove this sheet, right-click. Delete. To add the sheet, click this plus sign. To move the position, one cell on the left, top, bottom, or right. Currently active cell. Press the button. Arrow. Yes, like this. Right arrow. Then the cell will show you. Move to the right. Down arrow. The cells will move down. And the left arrow. The cell will move to the left. To activate the right-hand cell. Currently active cell. Press Tab. Then cell will move. The cell pointer will move to the right. To activate, cell on the left. Currently active cell. Press Shift Tab. 4. His cell. The pointer will move to the left. To activate cells underneath the current active cell, press Enter. Then he will move down of its active cell. To activate cells above the current active cell, Tech and Shift plus Enter. Then it will move up. To activate cells leftmost on the same line, press Home. Then it will move to the cell far left on the same line. To activate cell A1, then press Ctrl plus Home. Together, it will move to cell A1. To activate cells topmost in the same column, press Ctrl plus up arrow. I'll give you an example out it here. Then he will move to the topmost cell. To activate the last cell in the same column, press Ctrl down arrow. It will move on to the last cell in the same column. This I return ya. Up arrow control. To roll sheet or worksheet. Up. One screen. Press Pug up. I put, for example, here, press Pug up. To roll the sheet or worksheet down. One screen, hit the PDN. Like this, yeah. This is the PDN. Then Pug up. He will roll. See, this scroll changed. Yeah, this one. I try. PDN, then scroll it. Going down. Pug up, then scroll it. Going up. See this scroll. Recognize the shape of the mouse pointer. In Worksheet, Microsoft Excel. In the sheet, mouse pointer can change. And is indicator commands that can be done. Every kind. Pointers have different functions. Of which do click to select a cell, or do dragging to choose a range. We want to switch cells or choose a cell. We click like this. His pointer, white plus sign. I click like this. Means it was in a cell. C5. Then I moved here. I clicked. It is in cell K5. Drag to another place to move the contents of the cell or range in Worksheet. As an example, number 1 here. I drag to another place to move cell content, which is this one number. I try. Drag. The sign is like his pointer. It looks different from this. The sign like this, I drag. Then he will move. Do drag to copy data. Or make fill series data list. Well, this is my example. Copy or make data list or fill series. Like this. Looks yes. Plus is black. I drag. Then the number 1 is copied. I drag again down. Then the number 1 is copied. Do a drag towards the top or down to change the height of the line. This is here, for example. Looks yes. The arrows are also black. I want to drag this down, like this. Then the line will change, will be higher. Do drag to change column width. Or do double click to adjust column width with data. Longest in the same column. For example, I made. For example, like this. I'm gonna do a drag to change the column width. This, I drag like this. See ya, the pointer I press. Mouse on the left, I pull. It changed the column width. To adjust column width with longest data. For example, like this. We just do double click. Well, this is it. I see this. His pointer, I double click. Well, like that. He will adjust width of the column with existing data. Do click to select one line or do drag up or down to choose some lines. Well, for example, do click to select one line. Well, for example, it's like this. What is the pointer? I click. This picks one line until to the end of not like that. Do drag up or down to select multiple lines. If I drag like this, selecting multiple lines. Look, the pointers are like this. I press it and I pull it. This selects multiple lines. Do click to select one column. Or do drag to the left or to the right to select multiple columns. For example, column D. I do click to select one column. I click, it will be selected one column. Or do a drag left or right to select multiple columns. For example, drag, like this, to select multiple columns. OK.